Transform your bathroom with EagleRidge Utah's expert remodeling services. EagleRidge Utah is your trusted expert for bathroom remodeling in Springville, Utah, 84663 and 84664. With over a decade of experience, they deliver high-quality craftsmanship, modern designs, and premium materials to transform your space. Their services include installing and replacing tubs, showers, sinks, toilets, mirrors, lighting, cabinets, and expert tile work. They handle everything from demolition and plumbing to electrical work, ventilation upgrades, waterproofing, and final detailing. EagleRidge specializes in luxury features like heated flooring, smart technology, custom cabinetry, and accessibility upgrades. Their meticulous approach ensures a functional, stylish, and durable bathroom tailored to your needs. A remodeled bathroom improves functionality, energy efficiency, and home value while enhancing comfort and aesthetics. EagleRidge Utah stays ahead of design trends, offering minimalist styles, natural materials, and high-end finishes. For expert remodeling in Springville, call 801-784-1457 today and bring your dream bathroom to life.